Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my Young Living Essential Rewards haul for the month of April.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
I have some good stuff for you. It's actually 3 separate bundles. My regular order, then I used some of my credit. Since I order monthly, I get credit back every month, and I got some things for free. And then my friend Kristen gave me a bunch of cute gifts because I just had a baby, and I'm gonna show you what she got me from Young Living as well. I got another Desert Mist Diffuser. Here she is. This thing is so pretty. I've done videos on this before, but it has a bunch of different settings, light settings. It either comes out in full mist or half mist, so you can make it last a little longer, or it'll just turn on and off intermittently, and it is just a work of art. I have one in our bedroom, and I wanted one now for our living room. What I have right now in our living room is a cheap diffuser from Target that I got before I started with Young Living, and it just doesn't work like the Young Living diffuser, so I wanted to swap that out. This diffuser now comes with the premium starter kit, which makes it so worth it. The premium starter kit is $165. You get this diffuser, you get 11 oils and some other samples and freebies, and it is a really good deal. So leave me a comment below if you are interested. When you buy the Desert Mist Diffuser just alone, so not part of the kit, they give you 2 oils. One is tangerine. That is one of my favorite citrus oils. I love citrus oils, so that will be nice to have. And then they give you a peppermint. Peppermint is honestly not my favorite. I just don't love the smell, but my husband does, so he'll diffuse it sometimes. And it's really good like on headaches, pain relief. I even put some in my toilet bowl between cleaning. I feel like it helps keep it fresh. I have never been more excited to open an oil in my life. Here we go. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I mean, I need a moment. I got a 15 ml of frankincense. So frankincense is my all-time favorite oil, and I have been out of both frankincense and sacred frankincense for like 3 weeks, and I've just been freaking out. I love this stuff. So I just use this every day. I like to put it on my cold cream and apply it to my face at night. I use it for meditation and prayer. It is so calming. I diffuse it all the time, and I was out. I also used it in labor. I brought my Desert Mist Diffuser to the hospital and diffused this during labor, and I did Hypnobabies to prepare for my labor. So every time I would do my Hypnobabies practice at night, I would diffuse frankincense or sacred frankincense. So needless to say, I went through it a lot in the last couple months, and I'm just so happy to have it. This is expensive, and this also comes with the premium starter kit in a 5 ml bottle. Frankincense is one of the oils that comes with the diffuser and the other oils, and again, if you don't like the smell of frankincense, I literally don't understand. I don't know, I love it. Okay, so that was my normal order. Oh, you usually get a free oil. That's why I made that confused face. But this month instead, they gave me, I think, 10 extra bucks to spend, like $10 credit. I think that's what it was. So actually, I probably use that for my next order. So with my credits, I got 2 things. The first we were also out of for quite a long time, and that is the bath gel that I use for James. This lasts a really long time. It's not that big, 8 ounces, but I think, I should look, but I think it's like 4 months it takes us to use this, so that's awesome. James is into baths more so than showers, and He uses this with every bath, so we use it a lot and it lasts a long time, and it's just super gentle but super effective, and we love this stuff. Cannot recommend this enough for kids. Also, with my free points, I don't remember, oh, lavender. It's like basic for me this month. So lavender is probably my second favorite oil after frankincense, and I'm also really running low on lavender. I'm not completely out yet, but dangerously low, which I've never even come close to running out of lavender because I just always have enough because lavender just does everything. I also use it for skincare. I put it in my Epsom salts for bath time, diffuse this all the dang time. It's really great to blend with most oils. It's just like the versatile Swiss Army knife of oils, and I'm glad to have this back. Also, my mother-in-law might want to buy some stuff, and I wanted to give her a little sample, so I'm gonna give her my other bottle of lavender that has a little bit left to see if she likes it. Okay, on to Kristen, my dear friend Kristen. She is a nutritionist and personal trainer and has a really great Instagram, so I will leave her account in my description of this video, so go follow her on Instagram. You won't be disappointed. She got me 3 things for the baby. First is diaper rash cream from Young Living. I actually haven't used this on the diaper area yet. I need to research because we do cloth diapers, and I think most cloth diaper cream isn't great for that. However, she has a diaper rash-like rash on her, in her armpit, so I've been using this on that, and it has worked really well, and I just love that I can be comfortable that it is gentle and doesn't contain gross chemicals that could harm her. Also, she got me the baby oil in the Seedlings brand. I love this stuff. She has pretty dry skin. What I use it for is after I bathe her, which when I bathe her, I use the Seedlings bath wash, which I love, and then dry her off, and then I will kind of give her a little baby massage with this oil on her legs and arm and stomach, and it has really seemed to help with her flaky skin. Then lastly, this is more for me from hunching over and nursing her. I think that was the idea. This is their Deep Relief. It's kind of like Panaway, but I like the smell better. But I'm assuming it's kind of similar ingredients. Peppermint, lemon peel, balsam, clove, wintergreen. And then there's a coconut oil, so this is ready to go on the skin. The carrier oil is all in there, and it's a roller ball, and you apply it to your sore muscles. And I've used it and I love it. Actually, I used it on my husband last night. He's really sore he's been doing a lot of yard work now that it's springtime, and he really liked this as well. So that is my April order. I'm going to turn the camera off and instantly diffuse the frankincense and set up my new diffuser. I cannot wait. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about Young Living, I'd love to connect. Please subscribe if you aren't subscribed. I'd love it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.